Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I've got a fun cupcake recipe or idea for you for St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day. I was inspired by flour, eggs, and yeast to create something for St. Patrick's Day. And I'm so glad I did. I actually had fun decorating with my daughter. So here is the fun rainbow with a pot of gold inspired cupcakes. And I want to bring you along and show you how I created these. To tell you the truth, I am not much of a baker. I, for years, have used the box kind, and this was really fun. And if you didn't know this, I love making up my own recipes, but I'm not a baker. I haven't mastered that at all. So I did find a recipe on Preppy Kitchen and then Wise Guide. So I will leave their link for the ingredients, but I'll walk you through. So here I'm grabbing a muffin tin and adding the liners. And if you watch till the end, we'll be showing you how to decorate them. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add in some flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, sugar, and then whisk it together. You can sift it. I couldn't find my sifter, so just whisk it together, all of the ingredients. And then grab your eggs. These are from our lovely chickens. You'll want to separate the egg whites. Only use the egg whites. I just recently picked up this separator, which was really cool, from a vintage store. So I was so happy to use it today. And these egg yolks, I think I might use them in some ice cream. So that's why it's really fun to bake. You can use your eggs in so many things. So grab a bigger bowl, and you're going to be adding in some vanilla and some milk. And I'm adding Greek yogurt. The recipe called for sour cream. So if you decide to make these, you can click on the link, and some melted butter. And now whisk it together. Okay, grab another bowl. We're using lots of bowls here. Believe me, I had a huge pile of dishes. Add in your dry mixture, and then you want to incorporate the wet. So mix it together. The recipe said lumpy is okay, but I wanted to make sure everything was mixed in. So continue to mix it. And when you think it's ready, grab your muffin tin that has your liners. And I just used a spoon to spoon in the batter. And you'll want to add all of the batter. Divide it equally. The bowl should be empty. While your cupcakes bake, you'll want to make your buttercream frosting. This frosting is so yummy. You'll add in your butter, some cream, and vanilla. And I also added some almond extract, which was something different from the recipe. You'll add in powdered sugar, and I'm using this food coloring. I wanted to make the frosting green, so I'm using this food coloring. It's supposed to be better, more natural. Now, I found it took a lot of that color to really make any color at all. You'll want to whisk it together and keep adding that food coloring. I feel like it took so much of it. It's hard to tell what color this is, but it has a really light green, but it's still really pretty. And it actually matched our decorations. So after your cupcakes have baked, you'll notice that they're springy when you touch them, so you know they're done. Also, I always use a knife or something to poke into the cupcake. I purchased this bag in the cake decorating section. Really simple little kit that you can pick up. I think it has like 8 decorating bags. It actually was really handy. I used to decorate cakes when I was a teenager. I made all of my nieces and nephews' birthday cakes. I was really into it. And then I stopped. It's, things in life you are passionate about, and then you move on to the next thing. So it's kind of fun to do this again. So you can really decorate it however you want. I was trying to make kind of like a grass look. And I picked up these fun sweet tart ropes. They're so yummy. These were actually in the Easter section, and I found these fun Rolos to resemble the pot of gold. And I didn't know exactly how this would work, but all you do is you bend it and then push it into the cake. I thought I'm gonna have to use some kind of toothpick, but no, you just push it down into the cake. And then you want to add your pot of gold and then mini marshmallows on the side of your rainbow. And there you go. Isn't that cute? And here's some decorating with my daughter. Cupcakes, so you can eat it. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, you want to decorate it?
Just showing this.
How to put that to make it stand. Kind of push it into the cake a little bit. There you go.
Can I get one more, please?
You want 2?
Yeah, 2.
Okay. One little tip I learned from Molly's Cakes is bake your cupcake in a liner, but with the real fancy ones, you can add those at the end. And it will make them look so pretty. So thank you, Molly. I never really did that before, but I really think it makes a difference. Once you've added all of the frosting on top, you can start decorating.
Okay, thank you for helping with that. So we just need to bend it, and then we stick it.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Okay, I got 6 of these. I have 6 of these too.
Okay.
These things are so fun.
These little rainbows. Thank you, a little helper. Oh, I think we need some more. Oh, maybe not. Good job counting.
I did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Oopsie daisy.
I did that counting.
Good.
Like 2 or 3 or 1. Kind of looks like you have 2. Mom, look at I made the head beaker.
Ooh, you can decorate the rest.
And here's the finished product. Aren't they cute? They're so fun. I just love those rainbows. And here's my other daughter's cupcake. Sprinkles are so fun. They love them. You can decorate your cupcakes however you want. That's the fun thing about cupcakes. I hope you guys really enjoyed these cupcakes. You can check out those links for a recipe, or if you have your own cupcake and buttercream frosting recipe, maybe you can just make these cupcakes with these fun rainbows and little marshmallows and the Rolos. They are really fun for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys subscribe, come back to my channel. I've got lots of recipes coming soon. And I hope you all have a great St. Patrick's Day. Thank you so much for watching.